Hello, my name is Glenn and welcome to another English pronunciation. So this one is abbreviation. It means you make the word shorter. So we have kangaroo, is that right? Upside down. You have kangaroo. So the abbreviation of kangaroo is roo. So you can say, I like those roos, they look beautiful. It's an abbreviation of I like those kangaroos, they are beautiful. So that is an abbreviation, kangaroo, an abbreviation. So you pronounce it by abbreviation. Sorry, I was mistaken. You take out the B. Abbreviation. So whenever you see T-I-O-N, it's shin. Breathe. So this is the longest part of the actual pronunciation. E-A-shin. Abbreviation. This is pronounced like as in breathe. No, as in to breathe. That is me breathing. Abbreviation. So that is, practice some more. Abbreviation. Abbreviation. You can also pronounce it as abbreviation. So aish, so like AT, ation. And it depends on where you're actually learning. So abbreviation. Abbreviation. So if I say it fast, I say abbreviation. That's why I wrote it AB, because I say abbreviation. Abbreviation. You can say abbreviation. Abbreviation. But you can see with my Australian English, I have a double B, abbreviation. And that's just the way we learn to pronounce things in Australia. But if you go to the United Kingdom or the United States, they will be able to understand what you are actually saying. Anyway, I'll leave this video here. Hope this helps you with your pronunciation, and thank you very much, and have an awesome English learning time, because it's just all fun.